look at vehicles and I just see big flat panels driving down the road. Everything looks like a square box. Are we ever going to make something that looks like a square box? Absolutely not.
With our Never Charge technology, you can drive and drive with just the power from the sun. It keeps your battery pack topped off, and anywhere you want to go, you just go. Aptera really stands out from the crowd because it focuses on the science of efficiency.
1,000-mile range vehicle. It was an insane claim, but it's all science.
More aerodynamics, lighter weight, efficient powertrain, gets you further with less energy.
The Aptera is a new level of efficient transportation, and we hope to let you experience one soon.